Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. As you see, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.